God, you need to like change your batteries on your. On your... She's having a stroke over there.
Normally, I'm familiar with the single beep, but the 5 beeps at the end,
Beep 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 beep.
I think it's calling the cops on you.
Oh my god. Bro, batteries for like what are they called? Smoke alarms, smoke detectors. They're like $5. I know you got like $5.
No, that we gotta go to the damn Dollar Tree down the road. Get some Dollar Tree batteries. I know you got a Dollar Tree down the road. Everybody got a Dollar Tree down the road.
That is true.
And get you some damn batteries for $1. Pop them bitches in, you good for about 3 days. Some batteries.
Good for about like 2.5 hours. Bro, I don't think we're finding a match. Your smoke detector agrees.
Think his smoke detector using up all his Wi-Fi. He hears us talking. I know it.
He's probably not even here.
Or just stood 3 feet back, just looking at a smoke alarm.
He's like, how do I? Sitting, just rubbing his beard. How do I approach this situation? I remember I set off a smoke detector before because I tried to make cup noodles and I forgot to put the water.
I was just about to say that shit.
I was getting clowned on for that shit.
Everybody's done that once, twice. Maybe enough to be called stupid.
Have you done it enough to be called stupid? I take that as a yes. Oh, we got a match. Oh. God. Like any normal smoke detector, it's just beep.
It's forever embedded in me now. Like, if he goes to somebody's house and hears a single beep, he's gonna look at you like, where's the other 4?
The area. Watch the skies.
Now he's gonna go AFK. He's not coming back in time because he's just staring at his smoke detector. Oh my god, I'm fucking clipping that. Holy shit.
The most hilarious thing of the day would be you hear him pop on the mic. Sorry guys, I was looking at my fire detector.
That would be the fucking cream of the milk.
Are y'all laughing about? That's all I can hear on my goddamn headset for the past 10 minutes. Bro, I was in the bathroom and I could hear your f***ers laughing on my headset. I was like, what the f*** is going on?
Oh my god, I can't
Oh my
shit.
Hey, Swoll! Swoll! We're still waiting on you, Swoll. Swoll. Could you let me in? Swoll? What are you doing? Why are you just looking at that? Swoll? Swoll? Come on now. It's kind of chilly out here. Swoll? Did you see those giant letters in the beginning of the video? Swoll?